I can't even pick it up. This is me trying to pick the box up. I'm gonna blow a vein out my head. I moved this thing maybe 10 feet. Holy shit, bro, I actually see stars. So if you guys have been watching the channel for long enough, road to 100K, we're almost there, so if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Common theme on this channel is we big turbo just about everything we get our hands on. Now, there's nothing better to kickstart the new year other than not only one big turbo, two big turbos. Damn, 2 big turbos on a BMW, Wyatt. Wow, really stepping it up for the new year. What am I, a pussy? All right, I might be. This box is making me look like a pussy. Three big turbos. Just pulled up to the first piece of shit of the year. That thing. That didn't work. Yes, sir.
Drive him up right there. You ain't never seen nobody drive like this.
The new whip. Look at that bad unit right there, boy. What'd you think?
Bad unit.
I'm going back to my old roots. My first car ever in my life was the E46. So now I have a ZHP E46 3 Series, the ZHP rear bumper with no diffuser, but.
All right.
But that's all right, we don't need that. 6-speed manual because I'm a grown boy. M Sport seats, M Sport steering wheel. This is deadass the only M Sport car I've ever bought in my life, and it was $1,000. So M Sport mirror, them things. They do 360s, you've never seen that before. The ZHP front bumper, it has a little chunk taken out of it. Let me pop the hood. M52, you heard that right, M. No turbos, that's an issue.
The hammer.
What?
Why?
Oh, the hammer?
Yeah.
Should I not have a hammer?
Are you doing maintenance?
No. And we got the little single exit exhaust. But here's the only actual issue with the car. The radiator fan doesn't work, is what he said. We don't need that where we're going because we got 3 radiator fans right here. 3 of them. Before we add 1,800 horsepower to the car, I want to kind of go drive the car before we blow it up.
Hey, bud. I know it's your first time, but
Yeah, I
I know.
I know that.
It's all right.
Damn. Yeah, I got the one pipe on them. Hey, you guys like this? My mom got it for me for Christmas. For a split second, we had an oil light. If it's leaking oil, it has oil. So this thing will overheat very fast, so we don't have much time, but for 1,000, we're riding at $1,000 right now. 1,000 horn works. Not even my F30's horn works.
Man, throw that thing in first. Let me see some.
Bro, I gave it so much confidence too. I said, all right. I gotta rip the old girl up. This thing might die. It's running like dog shit.
All right, let me try it out.
Yeah! Takeovers! Yo, he almost killed me. Takeover boys almost killed me. I was looking dead in the headlights.
I had it under control, I think, but I thought I was in a Dodge Charger.
Oh, we're getting a little hot over here. All right. Jesus. Oh! He knocked the shifter off.
Second gear, though. That's how you back a gear, boy.
Bro, he took the whole second gear with him. Takeovers, I understand the hype now. I'm with it. I'm with this shit right here. I'm with it. I don't care what no one says.
$1,000. Let me know.
Let me know when you find a cleaner car for $1,000. That could be a takeover demon. But where's the shifter? Before we go blowing the C46 up with no turbos on it, shout out to Max Speeding Rods. A lot of people question these turbos about the durability on them. We're gonna find out because they were nice enough to send us 3 70 by 88 mil turbos. These things are absolutely massive. It's bigger than my head. But enough talking. It's time to throw these turbos on there. Well, it passed the first durability test.
It ate that shit.
It did nothing to the turbo.
So what's the placement going to be here?
1 here, 2, and then 3. Yeah, buddy.
That looks kind of crazy.
That looks crazy.
Yo, I think you got a little scratch right there.
Oh, shit. Obviously, the windshield wiper fluid reservoir, not needed. Took the air box out. Not gonna need that. We're gonna have to run like a charge pipe over to the turbos here. This is definitely gonna be a learning curve. None of us have ever messed with these. G, how do we do this? Oh my God, dude. First day on the job, he doesn't even know what to say. That's ridiculous. Now we're about to pull off these AC lines because 1, we don't need AC, and 2, we need room for 3 turbos. Boom! We pulled both of the headers out of the car and the entire axle back. Whoever welded the full exhaust to the headers, I hope you get hit by a fucking bus, because that sucked. But we're starting it up right now. Probably gonna spit some flames. Sorry to interrupt today's video, but today's video is sponsored by OBD11. Once you have your car in accessory mode, you want to go ahead and download the OBD11 app on your phone. Once you have the app open, you want to go ahead and connect to your device via Bluetooth. Now that we have connected to my 340, we can go ahead and scan codes. It shows that we have 18 faults found, transfer box, chassis management, a bunch of stuff that if I was worried about it, I could look into it. And as you can see, you can also clear all the codes on there, which I'm a big fan of. Next cool thing you can do with OBD11 is they actually have a apps menu, which you can go ahead and customize and code. But as you can see, we can change the iDrive startup animation. I do have an M Sport front bumper now, so I think I got the authority to go ahead and put a M style startup screen on the 340. They even have an option where you can turn your rear view camera on even while driving. So if you have a car that spits flames, you can see it from your screen right here. And now I'm in drive, but we coded in so that my backup camera can stay on at any time. So as you can see, we are driving and I can see through the backup camera. So obviously I don't have enough time to explain all the things that OBD11 can do. So I'm gonna link everything in the description of this video. Thank you OBD11 for sponsoring today's video. Better than
It really did.
that. Literally ran better than it ever
I was running
has.
like a top. You know what it was?
Seen that? 6 flames. Y'all be shooting little 2, baby. 6 all. Here's the game plan. This is the headers off of the car, and I went ahead and took an angle grinder and cut this piece clean off. So I'm gonna do the same to this one. Take some of this exhaust that we pulled off of the car, weld a 90 right here, over here, and then weld a T4 flange on. That way we can mount the first turbo. So pretty much it's just taking OEM headers, flipping it upside down, so that way we can do a top mount turbo. After lots of cutting, welding, that's it, just cutting and welding. We have taken the OEM manifold, did some very, very nice welds onto it. We're gonna be running no wastegate because we don't really need that where we're going. Wow, that's hot still. T4 flange on there. Some people are gonna be like, are the welds gonna hold up? No, they're not. There's the answer. So I'm gonna weld that back on there, then we're gonna put the manifold on.
This guy. Yeah.
I cannot wait to hear this shit.
We need a second of appreciation.
Yeah.
That thing's sitting.
Hey, look, I'm saying for a little 3-hour manifold build.
Oh, yeah?
Now it's time.
Bro, that fender, you sold it to someone.
Did I?
Yeah.
The first one.
Yo, it says perfect.
Bro.
Move your little mitt.
The
Damn.
entire intake sits outside of the car. Holy shit. The manifold's fire. Webby squared that one up, you know. We have 2 of these. It perfectly clears our carbon fiber brace. My only fear is once we get to the 3rd turbo, Wyatt's welds might not be strong enough for 3 turbos on here. So just like that, to mount the next one.
You ready?
Yep. I got faith in my welds. Even 2 looks insane. 1 of them, 2 of them. 2 of them. So with the 3rd one, the hood's definitely gonna have to come off because there's no way it clears it. Alright, just don't drop it. Yo!
Oh, we gotta use that side of the hood.
We gotta use that side.
Messing up the wrong side.
No hood looks insane.
Gangster. Where's the 3rd turbo?
Right there. No! Dude, the hood. You scratched it.
Keep your ears open.
Holy shit. That's full weight.
Wyatt's weld. Open now. Holy shit. It's like almost the same height as the roof.
Almost the same height as Wyatt.
False information. Turbo number 1, loop to turbo number 2, looped to turbo number 3. That is insane. Bro, what is that?
We gotta start this thing up right now.
The moment we've all been waiting for. 3 turbos,
3 of them.
3 of them versus Wyatt Webster. We have no oil lines hooked up, no charge pipes, because we don't need that where we're going. God bless this car.
Wyatt said he's used to one of them. He ain't never had 3 of them.
I ain't never had 3
He
of
ain't
them
never had
before.
3 of them at the same time.
Never 3 at the same time.
That's crazy.
Ready?
Are you ready? Oh!
Wait. Why does it run so good?
Oh! Man, put that thing on the tip. I'm trying to hear it.
Why does it run so good?
I'm trying to hear it. Hold the camera.
Why does it run so good? 3 of them! Stop playing with them! What the fuck? Why does it run so good? Yo!
That thing up.
Oh, turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Yo!
Holy
the turbo
shit.
fell over.
Yo.
It's the V-band. Webby's welds. They're up.
It's just a V-band. Webby's Welds stock is still going up. No decline. Can we hold on. Can we talk about that for a second? How good it just ran?
Them gold blades was spinning.
Dude. Max speeding rods, don't play around. Also Webby's Welds, don't play around, dude. Turbos are back where they need to be. Now we're gonna see if it can drive back to its parking spot. That's not good. That's not good. We need to do something about that ASAP.